Hello students of Standard 7. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same unit, relationship. In this we will study today nurturing friendship. Hello students of Standard 7. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same unit of My English Reader Attitude, in which we will study today Daddy Long Legs. Dear students, let us read the letter written by Miss Jerusha Abbott, aka Judy, an orphan brought up in an asylum by a kind trustee who has paid expenses for her college education and whom she only recognizes as one having long legs. She is on a visit to Lock Willow Farm, and the letter gives her first impression about the place. This letter has been picked up from the book Daddy Longlegs by Jean Webster. Dearest Daddy Longlegs, I have only just come and I am not unpacked, but I can't wait to tell you how much I like farms. This is a heavenly spot. The house is square like this and old 100 years or so. It has a veranda on the side which I can't draw and a sweet porch in front. The picture really doesn't do it justice. Those things that look like feathered dusters are maple trees, and the prickly ones that border the drive are murmuring pines and hemlock. It stands on the top of a hill and looks way off over miles of green meadows to other line of hills. That is the way Connecticut goes in a series of Marcel waves, and Lock Willow Farm is just on the crest of one wave. The barns used to be across the road where they obstructed the view, but a kind flash of lightning came from heaven and burned them down. The people are Mr. and Mrs. Semple and a hired girl and two hired men. The hired people eat in the kitchen and the Semples and myself in the dining room. We had ham and eggs and biscuits and honey and jelly cake and pie and pickle and cheese and tea for supper, and a great deal of conversation. I have never been so entertained in my life. Everything I say appears to be funny. I suppose it is because I have never been in the country before, and my questions are backed by an all-inclusive ignorance. The room marked with a cross is not where the murder was committed, but the one that I occupy. It's big and square and empty, with adorable old-fashioned furniture and windows that have to be propped up on sticks with green shades trimmed with gold that fall down if you touch them, and a big square mahogany table. I am going to spend the summer with my elbow spread out on it writing a novel. Oh Daddy, I am so excited. I can't wait till daylight to explore. It's 8:30 now and I am about to blow out my candle and try to go to sleep. We rise at 5. Did you ever know such fun? I can't believe this is really Judy. You and the good Lord, give me more than I deserve. I must be a very, very good person to pay. I am going to be. You will see. Good night, Jody. P.S. You should hear the frog sing and the little pig squeal, and you should see the new moon. I saw it over my left shoulder. Dear students, just go through the text again and complete the following statements. Geordie Abbott is very excited on her visit to the farm. Pick out 3 sentences from the text which support this statement. Geordie's letter to her foster father offers vivid descriptions of the farm, the people and the surroundings. Given below are such details or few details of such descriptions. Put a cross against those which are not true. Daddy's Long Leg is a story of a girl, Jerusha Abbott or Jody, and her letters to the benefactor who she has never seen. Given below is a list of certain words. Choose the words that describe Jody's character and write them in the given space along with evidence from the text to support your choice. Jody had a great deal of conversation with the Semples in the dining room, though she was not very well acquainted with them. Which skill or qualities do you think one should possess in order to carry forward effective communication with his or her friends? The letter offers an insight into many qualities and characteristics of the writer. Match the lines with the letters with the qualities of the writer which they reveal. Just imagine, students, that you paid a visit to the farm. However, you did not feel the same as Jody Abbott did. You felt bored, sad and lonely, frightened. Using the same information as given in text, write a similar letter to Daddy Longlegs. Give reasons why you have or had the following feelings. So here we end our today's session. Have a nice day. Thank you.